Great job everyone that came out today. This is where their mobile home was standing at. Luckily no one was home when it was hit, but this is all that's left. It was amazing how much it had moved. It had moved altogether about 40 feet, 50 feet from where it had been standing, and just shredded to pieces. We'll be working here throughout the week. There's actually 2 or 3 more neighbors right here whose yards look almost as bad, if not as bad as these. And so that's where we'll be working on throughout the week. And we have a group, WhatsApp group, that you can join that gives you directions and information. So whoever would like to help clean up, mostly it will be raking together debris towards the end, and a lot of chainsaw cutting and burning wood. So a lot of firewood available too if anybody wants some. Here I'm standing in the middle of it. This is partially on the neighbor's yard already. But yeah, this is the kitchen and bathroom that you're looking at. That building that you see back there, the brown cabin, that's where this mobile home was standing. It was behind that building. The cabin has rolled over upside down, and this is the frame of their mobile home, and it was right behind that cabin you see right there.